Hello crochet lovers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this neck warmer. Maybe you can remember we crocheted this hat in the previous episodes and I want to make a matched scarf or neck warmer, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this matched neck warmer with this beautiful hat. It's very easy and you can use three different ways. You just need a medium size yarn and I'm going to use Himalaya super soft, and it's medium size, 200 grams, 328 meters, 359 yards. I'm using 5mm crochet hook and a pair of scissors and tapestry needle for sewing the ends. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. I try to find easiest and fastest projects every week for you, and I'm waiting for your support. Thank you. We can start now. We're gonna start with chain 40 and make a slip knot at first. I make a loop with my fingers, insert my hook and make a slip knot. Chain 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I completed chain 40 and make 3 more chain. 1, 2, 3. And make double crochet into the 1, 2, 3, 4th stitch, 4th chain. I'm gonna use US terms, and double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 together. This is double crochet in US terms. And go on making double crochets into the all chains, into the each chain, and complete this row. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops together. Make 1 double crochet in each stitch, each chain, till the end of the row. I complete my first row and now I have 30 stitches, but I didn't count this first chain 3, okay? This is not counting as a double crochet, okay? I have 40 stitches now and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is not count as well as a double crochet as well, and yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop. You know, we always do this, insert and make double crochets, but today we're not doing this. As you see, this is my very first stitch and I'm gonna go into the back loop, okay? This is our V stitches, but we just use back loops and make double crochet and make one double crochet into the next stitch, back loop only, like this. I'm gonna go here and making double crochet, and repeat the same thing until you finished all the stitches, okay? And meet me at the end of the row. I almost finished the row 2, and this is my last stitch, and done. Okay, and you should always count your stitches. Don't count this chain 3, okay? And we should have 40 stitches in every row except this chain 3, okay? And go on like this, chain 3 and turn, and work always into the back loop only, and make double crochets in each stitch in every row as long as you want, but I will give you my exact measurement when I complete my neck warmer. And you can pause this video here and go on like this, and I give you the exact measurements when I finish my neck warmer before folding and sewing the end. And meet me back when you finished your neck warmer. Hello again. I'm ready to join. I crocheted all along and I give you my measurements. I can't show you all my size. I'm sorry about that. 22 inches and 57 centimeters. I fold like this, and this is my starting point. This is my ending point. Now insert your hook into the first stitch here, as you see, and pull this loop, pull through the first stitch. We are joining into the back loops again, and we are using this part's one loop and this part's one loop, not two loops together, okay? We are joining the first stitches and insert your hook into the second stitch from here, and insert your hook into the back loop again and slip stitch. Pull through all loops together, okay? Insert your hook from another part, back loop, and pull through all loops together. Again, first part's both loops and second part's back loop and slip stitch. I'm making very slowly both loops and just back loop and slip stitch. As you see, we are joining from here, but we use here, okay? and go on joining. When you reach the halfway, then you're done. Okay, then you can finish. Go on like me. Slip stitch carefully. Don't skip any stitches. And join together. Slip stitch 20 times because we start 40 stitches. When you reach the half of your stitches, you can finish your neck warmer. We should left 20 more stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, we can finish our scarf here, our neck warmer. Chain one end, cut the yarn. I just want to show you how we fold our neck warmer. Okay, turn the other way, and as you see, you can see where you join. That's the best part, because I hate sewing things and joining things, but it's really fun when you just need a crochet hook and fold like this and wear from here and fold like a collar, and you can use now. If you want, you can add fringes here. If you want, you can wear from here or here. You can fold like this, use like this. We just need to hide the ends. I have tapestry needle and I'm going in and out from stitches and go through all the stitches, but don't pull so tight. And also you can go from here one more time, and you can cut. Okay, and here you can hide this with the same method, in and out from behind, right to left, left to right, and hide the tail. When you're sure it's secure, cut the tail and done. I hope you like it. If you like my videos, please thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next week and next tutorials. Take care.